Hi, welcome to Candy Claw's Nail Channel. Today we will be applying the Poly Nail Gel, and we will be using the color Give Me Changes, which is the color temperature poly gel. Now what we have to do is we have to pick a nail form for our fingers, make sure that they fit. I'll be doing my thumbnail first. We have the option to either do the nail form with the straight measurements, or we can do the nail form with the curved measurements. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the curved design. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the top coat out and our base coat. We're also gonna get our slip solution from the box. We're going to obtain the nail file that they included, the 100-180. And we're also going to use our dual-ended brush and picker. Now I get to finally open my nail file. And what we're going to do is our prep stages. So we're going to do step number 1. We're going to do our prep, which is pressing back our cuticles and cleaning our nails. So I'm going to go ahead and trim mine real quick. There we go. And then after I trim, I will go ahead and push these cuticles down. And here we go with the cuticles. I actually have not pressed my cuticles down in a while, so as you can see, they needed it. Now watch out for this tool. It is sharp, so please use with caution. Almost done, just some finishing touches. Now for our second prep, we are to file. Now you're to file your shape and also to get the shine off at the top of your nail. So file away. All right, now it's time for step 3, which we are going to use our nifty dust off brush that Modelones included in this kit. And we're just going to brush off the excess nail dust that we have. And now for our application, step 1, we're gonna go ahead and apply our base coat. Now a little goes a long way with this nail polish, so make sure not to apply it too thick. All right, make sure you wipe off any excess polish that you get on your skin. And then you want to go ahead and, after you're done, cure for 60 seconds under your UV light. Now we're gonna do steps 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I kind of read ahead because you have to do them in conjunction. So we're gonna get our gel, gonna get our picker, squeeze the gel out of the tube, cut it with the picker, and then put the gel on the nail, dip your brush in the slip solution, and then mold it to the nail. Try and get it all even, where you don't want some part of your nails thinner than another side of your nail. So try and get your whole nail the same thickness and consistency. So that way we don't run the risk of breaking them. Now we're going to go to step 7. So we're going to apply our form to our nail, and it kind of suctions on. Now I did notice that if you do a smaller nail form, then it's a little harder to stick on and it will pop off. So it's always, I guess, better to go a little bigger with the nail form so that way it sticks on if you were having an internal struggle of trying to pick. All right, but I got all my excess poly gel that came up on the side walls off. Now we're going to cure the nail on the top for 60 seconds. Now we're going to turn the thumb over and cure underneath for 30 seconds. Now we're off to step 10, where we're just going to pop the plastic off and it should just come right off. Then you have your nail. So now for step 11, they want you to put the slip solution on the nail because it will be a tad sticky or tacky. Slip solution will help take away that tackiness so that way you don't brush it across your shirt and get lint on it or anything like that. All right, and we have a poly nail gel nail. So now, step 12. Let us shape it to our desired shape and also lightly file the top. All right, step 13. I did brush the excess dust off with the brush again, but then after you do that, you do want to do the top coat. Again, not too thick, and you want to cure the top coat for 60 seconds underneath the UV light. Now you're going to repeat all of these steps for each nail, and when you're complete, it should look similar to this. Voila! But now, I know you're interested to see the color change. So what I did is I just got a cup with, or a wine glass with ice water in it, so that way we can see what it will look like once the gel settles and my nails aren't hot from like filing and things like that. But it will be goes from white to pink, or like a light pink to a dark pink. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for what you would like me to do a video on next, I'll be happy to hear them. Please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.